When I first started investing, I didn't have a big corporate salary or a massive inheritance. I literally began my journey with just $50, and honestly, that was the hardest part, believing I could actually do it. If you think you need thousands of dollars to get started in the stock market, you've been misled. The truth is, thanks to modern brokerage accounts and the power of fractional shares, $50 is more than enough to become part owner of companies like Google or Amazon, or invest in the entire stock market using a low-cost fund. It is not the amount you start with that matters most, it's simply starting and building the habit of consistency. This simple step is the biggest hurdle. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact 3-step process I used to turn that first $50 into the foundation of my net worth. This blueprint works for anyone, whether you are 17 or 50, and proves that tiny amounts can lead to massive wealth over time through compounding. Ready to stop feeling intimidated and make your first investment today? If you want to follow the journey and get more easy money guides, make sure to hit that follow button now.